बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है।
Nutrimania, which brings all the nutritional information.
Hey everyone, welcome to Nutrimania. Hope you are all well and safe from corona. In previous video we discussed about beef meat. Today we will discuss about pros and cons and nutritional value of mutton. Mutton is the meat of sheep and goat. If the age of sheep is more than 2 years, then we'll call its meat as mutton. Before until the age of 1 year, it's called lamb meat. In today's video, we will discuss following points. Benefits of mutton, including the benefits of its various organs like liver, brain, heart and feet. Harmful effects on human health. Which people should avoid its consumption. Nutritional facts of different body parts of certain animal. Difference between animal and plant protein. How to eat and how much should we eat. How to enhance its digestibility. Common preservation techniques. To know all these things, watch our video till end and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. Mutton, being highly nutritious and energy-rich natural food, is high in protein and lower in saturated fat than beef. It's good for you who are on diet. The protein present in meat is a key ingredient in muscle repair, body building and body maintenance. The minerals present in meat, selenium and chlorine. Selenium acts as an antioxidant and has anti-aging properties as well. Mutton is a source of calcium. Calcium contained by goat meat is also good for bones and maintenance of teeth. Vitamins like vitamin B12 prevents neural tube defects when consumed by pregnant women. Vitamin B12 aids production of blood in the body and keeps nerves working properly. Mutton is a good source of iron, richer source of iron than white meat. It helps prevent anemia, especially in menstruating women, give intake to hemoglobin and helps blood circulation. Let's discuss the benefits of some of its organs. Liver, that is considered to be the most nutritious part of lamb, very rich in protein, iron and vitamin. Liver is low in saturated fat and high in minerals such as vitamin A, B and vitamin D. A common concern about eating liver is that it contains toxins. However, the liver does not store toxins, rather its job is to process toxins and make them safe. Goat feet stew. It is highly nutritious and full of flavors. People enjoy it worldwide, but patients are recommended to avoid this. Brain and heart. Brain and heart contains omega-3 fatty acids and the antioxidants produced by eating brain and heart meat are good for brain health. So they are beneficial for Alzheimer and Parkinson disease patients. I would like to mention here that cutting mutton or red meat completely from your diet is an unwise decision. Because a survey reported that those who eat vegetarian food face a deficiency of vitamin B12 and this is one of the reasons behind cardiovascular disease. Instead of cutting it completely, limiting amount can help you reduce the risk of disease. Overconsumption of meat is also linked with the risk of cancer. Improper handling and cooking of meat causes food poisoning that can be fatal in some cases. Which people should avoid its consumption? Hypercholesterolemic patients, the ones having high cholesterol level. Heart patients or people with the risk of intermittent claudication, that is narrowing of peripheral blood vessels. The ones having high uric acid levels and the people with GIT problems. Nutritional facts of some body parts of certain animal. Shoulders. This part of animal works hard, rich in protein and vitamins, so the meat from shoulder is full of flavor. Rack or chop. Mutton chops or cutlets are the most expensive cuts of goat or sheep incredibly delicious and tender. They are taken from ribs of the lamb and cooked individually, normally over a grill or a barbecue. Loin chop. These are mini T-bone steaks cut from waist of lamb and sheep, great for grilling with incredible flavor. Rump comes from the back of the lamb. This cut is lean, tender, and full of flavors. Just be careful not to overcook as it will become tough if left to dry out. Legs like shoulders work hard, which means protein is also present here in abundance. It has strong and good flavor. Many a times we have heard that meat is a source of animal protein and cereals or lentils are the source of plant protein. Today we will know which one is better. The thing that makes them different is amino acids. Animal foods like meat are the highest quality protein sources. Plant sources lack one or more amino acids, which makes it difficult to get all the amino acids that our body needs. Plant proteins are generally harder to digest and absorbed more slowly. So, animal protein is superior to plant protein nutritionally. Many of you must be thinking that how to eat and how much should we eat. The answer to your question is cook it with rice or other cereals. It increases the availability of absorbed iron. Or by boiling and making kebabs, making meat broth. Avoid deep frying and roasting. These ways are unhealthy for your health. Cook it over low flame. According to FDA, it is recommended to consume 300 to 400 grams per week. It's okay to eat twice a week, but exceeding optimum limit may be harmful for your health. Steps for enhancing the digestibility of meat. After eating meat, you can digest it easily by following some instructions. Drink plenty of water after eating meat, but with a gap of 30 minutes after meal. It will speed up the digestion. Take herbal tea, especially ginger tea or lemongrass tea. It will improve the action of your digestive system. Do moderate exercise after 30 minutes of meal. It will help you digest the meat easily. Preservation of meat is done by refrigeration, freezing, curing, or by placing the meat in vacuum jar at home. Refrigeration is the most common method. Typical refrigerated storage life for fresh meat is 5 to 7 days. Freezing is an excellent method for meat preservation as it stores the meat for 1 to 2 months, but we will recommend you to use the meat within 14 days because after that it starts losing its nutrient. Curing is also done by adding salt, sugar, or nitrites to preserve the meat from spoilage. Vinegar is also used for this purpose.